Hey, it's Kurt with LifterLMS, and this lesson is about creating key pages within your WordPress website. This lesson in particular really excites me because this is where your project really starts to take some shape and starts to have some organization to it. Creating your basic key pages is key to communicating with people in a way that they anticipate. So we're going to go through real quickly how to make a home page, a contact page, and an about us page. And we're not going to blow out these pages with full design. We're just going to go through the process of putting those pages in place. Now, one piece of strategy that's going to come up in this lesson, and it's a key point to pay attention to, is our blog posts have to be assigned somewhere. Right now, the website is showing us the most recent blog posts on the homepage, but we're going to create a homepage and set the website to show that homepage. So that means we need to create somewhere else for those blog posts to go. So let's take care of that part first. I'm going to go into our screen share and I'm going to open up our dashboard. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go to pages. Now, if we open up pages, we'll see that we have a privacy policy that's been added to our list, and we have a sample page. Now, that privacy policy came with our theme introduction. Okay. The sample page came as part of WordPress's blank installation. So we have that sample page in place. Now, this is up to you. You can trash this and get rid of it right away, or you could edit it and change it if it kind of had a format that you liked. So let's do a posts page. I'm going to add a new page. And we're going to see that pop up, and I'm just going to call this latest posts. Now you can call it whatever you want to call it, but I'm going to call it latest posts. And I'm going to go ahead and hit publish. Okay. The next thing I'm going to do, and that page is already done. That page is published. I'm going to go back and we'll see here that we have latest posts added as a page. And what I want to do now is add a home page. So now I'm just going to call this home. Now, just to give us a little something to look at, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add an image in here. I wonder if we do have a hero image that we can choose from. Hero images, just in design talk, are those big images at the top of pages that usually have some features built in. So I'm going to pick this hero image and I'm going to go ahead and click publish. Now, remember, I'm not showing you full page design build. We're just going through the practice of what it's like to build these key pages and put them in place inside your website. So we've got this publishing, and we can go ahead and view that page if we want, just so you can kind of see what that looks like, right? So that now becomes our home page. So now what we want to do is go back to our dashboard. We're going to go down to settings. If you remember settings, and which one was the one that we want to select to change what the reader sees? We want to choose reading. So now we want to go to our home page displays a static page. That home page is going to be home, and our post page is going to be latest posts. Okay. So now if we save those changes, that changes kind of the format of the whole website. If we go back to the top of our site, our homepage is now the homepage. If we click here, we're going to stay on the homepage. And if we go to our menu, we can see that we've created home and latest posts. If we click on latest posts, it's going to take us right in to what used to be the homepage, right? With the latest posts. But now we have a blog page that shows the latest posts. And now we can use our navigation, either the icon at the upper left, or we can use the menu item in home to take us home again. So now we can go right to there. The next page that I want to make real quick and just show you why we put Ninja Forms in real quick is pages, all pages. We'll add another page. We'll call this one the contact page. If I could spell contact page. And you know what? I'll stick with naming conventions and make that a capital. And I'm going to publish that. Okay. But now you're wondering, well, what would go on a contact page? Well, we might have a hero image at the top of it. So let's go and put a hero image in again, just so we could be kind of consistent. And I'm going to add a form in here. And I'm going to say Ninja because we installed Ninja Forms. And I'm going to select a form. We have a contact me form in there and it puts it right there. Now we can style this and put it anywhere we want at a later date, but I just wanted to show you how that function would work. So I'm going to go ahead and click update. I'm going to go back to our dashboard. I'm going to preview our website and you see that we've got the home page, we've got the latest posts, and now we have a contact page. And if we look at our contact page, we have our form built in right on top of that hero image. All right. That is how you build your basic static pages inside your WordPress build. You add the pages that you want, you fill out the content that you want to see, and you publish them. Once you publish them, they're accessible on the front end of the website. One of the things that we need to show you is, do you want those things to automatically go to the navigation menu, or do you want to edit the navigation menu and have more control over what people can access through the top menu? That's something that we'll cover soon. See ya.